That Tech Kid here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Logitech G604 Lightspeed. First off, I am very impressed and very excited. I have a sticker, and that makes everything better. So you also get paperwork. So you have a little adapter if you want to use it wired, which is pretty cool. I will not be using it wired. And then the mouse itself. Actually, this is really sweet. This is a really sweet mouse. Looks really awesome. It feels actually really nice. Buttons, first impressions. Buttons are a little close to the finger. Right here, I'll show you in the B-roll, but because I can easily press them. I guess that's a good thing. But it's a decent wheel. Not bad peels either. That's it for the unboxing. Thank you all very much for watching. Keep an eye out on my Twitter, right here. I will keep you guys updated on how I like the mouse. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Peace.